So what made you go with the oral appliance for sleep apnea as opposed to a CPAP machine?
Yeah, CPAP machine, I had trouble falling asleep. And mask, I was out with the mask on, I was always, just couldn't get, couldn't really fall, fall asleep on my side, but the thing was always like sucking air. It was uncomfortable and just, you basically had to sleep on your back. You would think it's very uncomfortable and hard to get used to, but I found it's really, you don't even really notice it. That's in your mouth. It's a lot more comfortable. No, not at all. First few nights that's about it. First few nights it seemed a little uncomfortable, but after that it was pretty good. My wife says I'm not snoring as much, and when I am snoring, I'm not really gasping for air. Like,
Wow.
They said I was stop breathing like 30 times an hour, and this I'm really not that much, very little. It's a big difference. Yeah, she said I'm not really not snoring as much, but when I am, I'm really not gasping for air.
Okay.
Like,
Wow.
I'm sure it's from 30 times an hour. I'm sure it's like less than 10.
Wow.
Which
So that sounds like a huge difference.
is definitely a huge difference.
So would you recommend it to family or friends who have sleep apnea?
Yeah, it's a lot more comfortable, and you don't have all the hoses and the thing on your face. Just a lot better.